Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Capital One 360 for bill pay to insurers step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Capital One website. Log into your Capital One account using your credentials. Once you are logged in, navigate to the banking section of the homepage. Look for the option labeled Payments. Click on Payments to access the bill pay features. Select Add a Payee to set up your insurers for bill pay. In the provided fields, enter the name of your insurer. Next, input the account number associated with your insurance policy. Continue by entering the billing address for your insurer. Ensure all information is accurate, then click Add Payee. Now, your insurer will be listed under your payees. To schedule a payment, go back to the Payments section. Choose your insurer from the list of payees. Enter the amount you wish to pay. Select the date you want the payment to be sent. Make sure to review the payment details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Schedule Payment. Your bill payment is now set, and you'll receive a confirmation. Repeat this process for any additional insurers you need to pay. Keep track of upcoming payments to ensure nothing is missed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.